Porsche is cooking up something new for the start of the third-generation Panamera. While its true form has yet to be revealed, camouflage prototypes wearing wide-eyed LED matrix beam headlights are a very strong hint at what the new Panamera will look like in production form. Little information has been released, but Porsche says the base twin-turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 returns with at least 350 horsepower. An all-electric Panamera is still expected on a new scalable platform, but we won't see it for at least another 4 years. The higher-performance Panamera Turbo model, reviewed separately, has also been teased, but details surrounding pricing, trims, and horsepower are classified until we get a little closer to the model's on-sale date. Porsche updates the Panamera's new generation with more horsepower and discontinues the Panamera Sport Turismo version, citing fewer than 10% of Panamera buyers were picking that one. The base engine now has approximately 350 horsepower or slightly more, up 25-ish from the 2023 model year. The Porsche Active Suspension Management (PASM) system is now standard. More acoustic absorbers have been installed to keep the cabin comfortably quiet. A new front and rear fascia are also on the 2024 Panamera, giving it a fresher look, and the cockpit has been redesigned with new large screens in the revised dashboard. Although a full breakdown of specs hasn't been released by Porsche yet. For now, the prototypes use a twin-turbocharged 2.9-liter V6, just like the old car, but this time with at least 350 horsepower instead of 325. That's for now. Porsche's Active Suspension Management (PASM) is now standard, employing the engineering magic of 2-valve dampers and semi-active double-chamber air springs to keep the Panamera's driving characteristics dynamic while improving ride, according to the company. At least during this stage of testing, the prototype we sampled used an 8-speed dual-clutch, automatic transmission with programming to smoothly shift to lower gears until it comes to a complete stop. Porsche says the updated powertrain is good for a 5.2-second run to 62 mph. But that might be too conservative an estimate, considering which last, less powerful rear drive model we tested hustled to 60 mph in just 4.4 seconds. No details about output for future sportier 4x4s or GE's models has been revealed yet. We'll update this space with testing numbers once we've given it the full beans at a test track. While the new Panamera does get an increase in horsepower, we wouldn't be surprised if the fuel economy is either identical or improved. While we await EPA estimates, we should point out that the earlier Panamera managed 18 mpg city and 24 mpg highway ratings. When we get a chance to test the Panamera models on our 75 mph highway fuel economy test route, we'll update this story with the results. Porsche has revamped the Panamera's control room. A digital gauge cluster combined with a 10.9-inch infotainment touchscreen span the dashboard. Similar to what was initially launched on the Taycan, the Panamera front row passenger gets their own digital display. The gear selector has been moved from the center console to the dashboard to make way for additional cargo space and arm room. Porsche says the cargo space behind the rear seats can hold 2 extra large golf bags, courtesy some clever design that includes the use of a skinnier subwoofer. Price Panamera 4 starting $110,000. Panamera 4s starting $120,000. Full details on pricing for the 2024 Porsche Panamera haven't been released yet, but based on the upgrade in standard equipment, we're certain the Panamera's base price will start in the 6 figures. We'll update this space once more information on trim levels and options are revealed. At the end, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Let us know in the comments section which videos about which cars and games you would like to see. We would like to read your thoughts and criticisms and make more interesting and good projects for you.